So what do you actually need in a new caravan? Here's the top 5 things I think you may need and top 5 things you may be able to do without. Number 1, the blackjack. Get rid of that jockey wheel. You're not moving this van around anywhere. Get yourself a blackjack. Look them up. They're amazing. Number 2, this is your tunnel boot setup. You are pulling stuff in and out of it all the time. It just gets absolutely belted. Raptor coat is what we've done on here. Coat it with something. You need it. Number 3, a DO35 or in our case a DO45 hitch. They're just safer. If you ever have a van rollover or something like that, they're just safer. It'll stop the car actually rolling with you. Gives you a lot more movement off-road as well, but if you're on road, these are better. Number 4, this area gets smashed by rocks. We've done the Raptor coating up there, just higher than normal, and we've got these rubber mats that are actually removable and replaceable. I know you got your stone stomper or whatever, but this area gets belted with rocks. It's not till you go to sell it you realise how much. Definitely protect this area. Number 5, underbody protection. All this stuff, you want to protect it. Protect all your pipes, etc., your water tanks, the lot. And 5 things that are cool but you may not need. Number 1, a massive battery system. We do a lot of off-grid, so I've got 600 amp hours of lithium batteries here. That's enough to run a blender till the end of time. Well, maybe not quite. But what are you using it for? If you're going to caravan packs, or if you have this plugged in all the time, most of our vans come with 400 amp hours of lithium batteries. It's a huge amount of power for you. Maybe you don't need to spend the extra money on batteries. Off-road suspension. Oh, I forgot to say number 2. Number 2, off-road suspension. So it looks cool, but it adds weight, it adds cost. You know, where once again are you going? If you're going to be caravan park hopping, the occasional hip camp, the roller rocker suspension that comes with our vans will get you basically anywhere. Number 3, a massive inverter. Get it all the time. People are like, oh, I want a 5 kilowatt inverter. You know, I need to have that extra power. Happy to do it, happy to look at it, but do you really need it? Not so much even if you're going off-grid. Even if you're going off-grid, 3 kilowatts is still a big inverter when we still put 3 kilowatt inverters on houses. Well, small houses. Number 4, fancy stabilizers. These things are cool. You press a button and they all come down either independently or together. They probably don't add much weight. I guess at the end of the day, it's probably one other thing that maybe could go wrong, you know, if you are remote. And they're a little bit pricey, so do you really need them? Maybe. Number 5, a massive toolbox. This is a sick toolbox. It's functional, it's awesome, I really do love it. But it adds weight. Everything you put up the front there adds to your tow ball weight. May cause you issues. So all our vans come with a standard toolbox and they'll have the gas bottles in there, etc. Do you really need the massive toolbox? Don't know, it does look cool. My advice would be, if you're new to caravanning, what are you going to be using your van for? If one day you're going to go to the Cape, drag the van up there, but it might not be for 5 years while the kids are young, you'll get a couple's van and do it later on down the track. You don't need to set it up for something like that. If you're going to be caravan park hopping, if you're not going to be doing much off-grid stuff, maybe you don't need that off-road suspension, etc. So most of our caravans come with a lot of equipment straight out of the box, and they're very, very well priced in an Australian-made van. Have a look at the list of the standard inclusions and then maybe just ask us, or ask friends that actually caravan, what does he actually use? Because what tends to happen when you buy your first caravan, you go a little bit crazy and you buy a bunch of stuff and you have a list of things you want for the van, and a lot of it you don't use. So save the money, save the weight, just get the stuff you actually need. And don't forget, every dollar you spend on the caravan is a dollar you can't spend at the pub. Food for thought.